Well, hello, and welcome back to Shane's Hobby Shop. Last week, we showed you how to go find the correct pallet to do you a pallet wood project. We even brought it back to the house and showed you how to disassemble it and even denail it. That way you can get it ready to do a simple project. This week, we're going to do that project. Alright, well, this week's project is going to be a simple step stool. Something you can use in the kitchen, out in your shop, anywhere you want to. Now, I went online not too long ago and I found some simple plans for this. Now, I don't recall exactly what website I was on to get these particular plans, but on the bottom of the page it shows that it belongs to handymandclub.com. But that website is no longer around. I do believe the Handyman Club itself is no longer around. So what I'm going to do, these are the original plans. It's 3 pages long. I'm going to go ahead and put them up on my website for you to go ahead and download for free. That way you can build this project yourself. Alright, now then, one thing I'm going to change on here is the top step. I guess it's the seat and also the step. They got in 2 pieces. I'm going to go ahead and make that one whole solid piece. The seat and the step itself is going to be one whole piece. Alright, so let's go ahead and get these. Now, what I'm going to have to do here, off camera, I went ahead and I planed these couple of these pallet boards down. Now, since you work with pallet boards, you're going to have some twists and turns and even some bad ends on it. So I suggest to try and clean up enough boards, more than enough for what you need to do a project with. And also have some more on the side to where if this is still not enough, you can go get some more boards, clean them up, and continue your project. Alright, so what I'm going to do first off, like I said, went ahead and I planed the top and bottom down, but the edges are still original. And I want to go ahead and glue a couple of them up to make the panels for the top seat and the bottom step. So let's go ahead and clean up 4 boards on the edges so we can glue them up for panels. Alright, let's get busy. Well, good morning. New day today. Last night when we left off, I had these boards in the clamps all glued up. This morning off camera I came in, kind of squared them off, kind of getting them ready for today's project. Now today we're going to be taking both of these panels. Like I said, one's going to be the seat, the other's going to be the step. And what we're going to do is they're both going to be 8 inches wide. So we're going to rip down that to 8 inches. And then we're going to get to the length on them, which I think one's 16, the other's 12.5. I have to double check that. But we're going to work on that, and then we're going to get on with the other parts. Alright, let's get busy. Okay, we got those panels set aside. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and look at the rest of the build. We're going to go ahead and square one edge up on one of these here, and then we're going to set them out of soft at 2.5 inches and go ahead and rip all of these. So let's get busy. Okay, went ahead and got everything cut down to length and width. Now what we need to do is take the plans here, follow them one by one, and go ahead and make the additional cuts, and then we can start putting this together. Alright, so I'm going to start off on a bandsaw, and then probably finish off on a miter saw or table saw. Let's see it. Okay, here we go. We got everything cut out and ready for assembly. Now I'm going to actually put it together with wood glue, and I'm going to use some brad nails for now, but I will be going back later and adding screws to this. But for now we're just going to use brad nails and glue. Alright, let's get busy. Okay, here you go. Finished product. Got it together. Got the seat on, got the step on, got everything together. It is held on by wood glue, screws, and nails. Alright, so this thing ain't going nowhere. It's actually really nice. And since I got that new pallet wood there, it don't even look like it's pallet wood because it don't got really no age to it. It just look like I made from pine 2x4s. Alright, or should I say 1x4s. But yeah, here we go. Now then, my one suggestion on here is when you want to do this project, put it all together with clamps first. Go ahead and just dry fit everything. That way you can make sure you get your angle on the legs here right and get this where it's supposed to go. And after you got together, you got it clamped up, go ahead and mark lines on everywhere it's supposed to be at. That will help you when you go to a glue up and assembly. Alright? So, yeah, but besides that, Real fun project to do, real simple. Now, the only thing I'm left to do is I'm not going to do it because it's going to stay here in the shop. I like it like it is. But if you would want to put it in your house, I'll suggest go ahead and either stain it and or seal it, because it will need some type of sealer on here. I've seen some of these actually painted before, not the particular kind, but yeah, you can paint it and then seal it. So yeah, there you go. All right, very simple project. Again, give me about another day or two, and I'll have these plans up on my website. Again, they're not mine; they are what's that? Handyman's Club. Like I said, to my knowledge, that website is no longer around, so I'm going to go ahead and put it up on my website. All right. Well, my name's Shane. This is Shane's Hobby Shop. We'll see you next time.